Here are 3 reasons why I personally believe that you should sell recurring affiliate marketing products. Now, for a lot of you guys who don't know who I am, my name is Justel Breslau Guaremabiala, and I help average people just like yourself make money online, build an online business, work from home, or have financial freedom, time freedom, or location freedom, or quit your 9-to-5 job to fire that boss so you can live life on your own term, specifically with affiliate marketing. Now, for a lot of you guys who might not know what affiliate marketing is, allow me to explain. It's very simple. Affiliate marketing is basically you earning commission, meaning money, for promoting or selling other people's stuff, other companies' product. It's literally that simple. Okay, basically you partner with companies like Amazon, Best Buy, JCPenney, Staple, Coca-Cola, Adidas, Sephora, all the big top brand companies out there. You partner with them and you refer a person, someone, a real life breathing human being, to buy any of these companies' product. Okay, so a customer, does it make sense? So you basically connect the company with a customer. So whenever that customer that you refer to any of these companies buys any of these companies' product, these companies are going to compensate you. Okay, they're going to compensate, they're going to pay you a commission. Okay, first you're just a middleman. You're the middle. You refer a customer to, you connect them with this company, and whenever this person that you refer to buys any of these companies' product, these companies are going to compensate you for referring a customer to them. Does that make sense? It's literally that simple, and that's affiliate marketing. You don't need to worry about customer service. You don't need to worry about shipping. You don't need to worry about inventory. Okay, and that's what affiliate marketing is. You're just a middleman. Okay, all you're doing is just promoting and selling other people's stuff. That's it. Okay, now I'm gonna give you guys the 3 reasons that I mentioned earlier, or why I personally believe that you should actually sell and promote, okay, recurring affiliate marketing products. Now, the first reason why I personally believe, it's my personal opinion, okay, the first reason is consistent income. Okay, because guys, you have to understand that when you're selling a recurring product, okay, you are earning money on a consistent basis. So it's like you having a steady paycheck. For example, if you work a job, okay, a 9-to-5 job, for example, right, you probably get paid like what, bi-weekly, or sometimes you get paid weekly, right? Your paycheck is more steady because you're getting paid bi-weekly or weekly, guarantee every single week or every single 2 weeks. Or if you're getting paid salary, it could be like on a monthly basis every single month. So that's the beauty about it. Consistent income. Your income is consistent. Okay, it's on a month. You're getting paid on a monthly basis. Okay, on a monthly basis every single month for whichever customer you signed up to. Okay, now the second reason. Okay, the second reason is passive income stream. Okay, like you're earning passive income. Because look guys, when you're selling a recurring product, okay, you don't have to sell that product over and over and over again. You just have to sell it one time, and then the money becomes more passive. Okay, more passive because you're earning that money over time with one single customer. Okay, I'm gonna explain to you guys what I mean by that. Let me give you guys an example. Let's say you were an affiliate of Netflix. Okay, now Netflix is a streamlined on-demand service where people watch movies on demand. For example, at my house we have Netflix. We pay every single month for Netflix, right, to watch movies on demand. So we binge watch movies all the time, every single day on Netflix, and we pay Netflix every single month to watch unlimited amount of movies. All right, now let's say you were an affiliate of a company like that, okay, where you signed up the customer who are interested to to watch movies, to have unlimited movies in the house, like we do, like in my house. Let's say you signed up customers like that. Now, one customer, let's say if one customer is bringing you as an affiliate $20 per month, right? Now, understand that money will become more passive, because that single customer that you signed up through Netflix as an affiliate, you personally will earn you $20 every single month. So let's say it's a family that you signed up. Okay, it's a family that you signed up to this service, this Netflix service, and they have Netflix for, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years down the road. You're gonna keep earning that $20 for that single family that's using the Netflix service every single month for probably in the next 10 years. And that's passive income. This is what we call true passive income. Do you see what I'm saying here? That's the beauty about it. Now, the last reason, the third reason, is that your income increases. Okay, what do I mean by increasing income? Increasing income in what context? For example, you are not limited to only signing up one customer. You can sign up more and more customers. So if you're earning, let's say, $20, okay, for one single customer, and you sign up another customer, $20, if you sign up another one, it's going to go up to $40. If you sign up another one, it's going to go to $60. So 20, 20, 40. Okay, and then 20, 60, so 50, 60. So as you're signing up more and more customer, your income increases. Okay, your income becomes more and more, so your money grow over time. So it's like when you have to look at passive income, guys, like you're building a house. Okay, when it comes to passive income, because it's like you starting with a plan. You know, when you build a house, there's a plan on the paper, right? And then you build the foundation of the house, and then you start to build the house, you know, and then once the house is built, and then the house is finished. It's the same thing when you are promoting a recurring product. Okay, as an affiliate marketer, you earn, okay, your income increases as you're signing more and more and more customer. And another thing is it's passive income. Your money becomes more passive because you don't have to keep promoting, you know, that same product over and over again. You see what I'm saying? Do you see what I'm saying so far? And it's consistent. Okay, it's predictable income. That's the beauty about it. Okay, so increasing income, which is the last reason that I gave you, your income will keep increasing over time. And imagine you signing up more and more customer for the next 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years. Okay, do you not see the beauty about that? Your income is gonna grow even more, and then after probably 10 years, you'll probably be making like close to $40,000 a month or $50,000 a month on a recurring basis, where you don't have to go get brand new customer. And that's what we call true passive income and stuff like that. And those are the 3 reasons why I personally believe you should actually go the recurring, the recurring commission route as an affiliate marketer. Okay, that's what I personally believe. Now I'm about to leave this video. I kind of fumble a little bit on camera because I gotta be honest with you, it's not easy to talk on this camera. Sometimes I fumble a lot and I say a lot of stuff, but as long as you get the point of this video, that's what I would like to, that was my whole point of talking this video. I want to kind of get this point across. Okay, I love you guys, and before I go, I would like to leave you guys with this. If you're looking for a way to build an online business, specifically with affiliate marketing, or you're looking for a way to make money online, have financial freedom, or time freedom, just make sure that you go down below to the link that you see down below in my YouTube description to get instant access to my #1 recommended way that you can start making a full-time income online today. I love you guys so much. And I'll see you guys later. Okay.